Welcome back children to the second part of the topic, that is slideshow of the chapter, that is advanced features of the tux paint. So as we know, yesterday we read about the tux paint, features of the tux paints, more effects, that is magic tools, and the storyboards. So now today we are going to start the slideshow. So children, what is the slideshow? So as we made the slide yesterday by putting some effects, so today we will see the slide and the storyboard and learn how to do a slideshow. So first what we have to do that uh, first we have to know about the slideshow. What is slideshow? Slideshow is a series of selected features often displayed on the screen one by one. To view the slideshow in the tux paint, follow given these steps. So these are the steps. With the help of these points or steps, we will learn how to do the slideshow. So children, first I have to explain it and then I'll show you, which makes you a better sense. So let us start from the first step, that is click on the open tool. It will display the thumbnail of the saved pictures. Second, click on the slides option. Select the pictures you wish to display in the slideshow one by one. So the third one is each picture that you select will be marked by the number. That means it lets you know the order in which they will be displayed in the slideshow. So fourth one is you can also deselect and deselect the select image by simply clicking on it. That means the image will be removed from the slideshow and rest of the pictures will be renumbered. Adjust the speed of the slide from slideshow from slow fast to fast by clicking on the sliding scale present at the bottom left corner of the screen next to the play button. One more thing, that disable the automatic advancing the slides by clicking on the leftmost bar on the sliding scale. Click on the left button to begin the slideshow. Now the sixth point is press the space bar, enter right arrow key or a next button to manually advance to the next slide. It means if you want to go to the next slide, then what we have to do, we will press on the space bar on the keyboard or a enter or a right arrow key or a next button, which help you to go to the next slide. Now the last one is clicking the escape key to exit the slideshow. It means escape key means escape. If you want to exit the slideshow, then click on the escape key, which is mentioned in your keyboard. You just press this key and you can exit from the slideshow. So children, now look at this picture. This picture is about the selection area of a tux paint. So now what we have to do in this window, in this picture, first we have to click on the open tool. This is the tool options and here's a lot of tools are given. So here's one of them, that is open tool. So we have to click on this open tool and it will display all the thumbnails picture which is saved, thumbnail of the saved pictures. So now click on the slides option, that select the pictures you wish to display in the slideshow one by one. So children, just see, each picture that you select will be marked by a number. This picture is 1, 3, 2, 4. These pictures are marked by a number. It means that it lets you know the order in which they will be displayed in the slideshow, one after two other. Now you can also deselect and select the image by simply clicking on it. If you want to remove this slide, just simply click on it and this picture is removed from the slideshow and rest of the pictures will be renumbered again. Now the next point is adjust the speed of the slideshow from slow to fast by clicking on the sliding scale present at the bottom left corner of the screen next to the play button. That means there is a option that is sliding scale. So children, this is the option of the sliding scale, and so it means that what does it do now, that if we want to slow slideshow, then this option will go down, and if we want the fast slideshow, then it will goes up after clicking on this area. And then after this sliding scale, we just click on this button. This is the play button. When we click on this button, each slides will appear on the screen one by one as according to their respective numbers. That is 1, for example 1, after 1 this will appear, and again 2, then 3, then 4, and then 5. So it shows the every slides one by one on the screen. And children, one more thing, if you want to go to the next slide manually, so what we have to do, that we have to press on the space bar button, enter button, right arrow key which is mentioned in your keyboard. It helps you to go to the next slide manually in advance. And there is also a button that is back. What it works like, if we want to go back to the picture selection screen, so we will press on this button. And children, one thing more, that is ES key button, that escape button in the keyboard, which helps you to exit the slideshow. If you want to exit this slideshow, then you just click on the escape key on the keyboard, and it will help you to exit from the slideshow options. And now this topic is completed. So tomorrow we will discuss about the deleting a drawing and quit tool. And children, one more thing, that if you have any doubts related to this chapter or any topics of this chapter or the others video classes of the computer, so you can ask your questions in your class group. Okay, now thank you and have a nice day.